Ang init ng tubig, may mainit.
Pambata. Ay.
Alam mo, ang lalim na. Kanina ni kanina. Hanggang dito lang pala.
It's working.
Thank you.
Yara dia.
Kung bago ka po sa akin channel, please watch, like, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell para po updated kayo sa mga kaganapan po dito sa aking channel, Ma'am Zainab Lebanon Vlog. It's about Lebanese Filipino community activities here in Beirut, Lebanon. Thank you! Hello guys! Mga ka-YouTube vloggers ko dyan! Ito ang inyong Mami Zainab at dito ako sa Aqua Island Resort. Siyempre summer na here in Lebanon. It's summer here in Lebanon, so we need to go to the resort and we are here in Aqua Island Resort. Here in Aqua Island Resort, there is also beach, and to the other side there are a lot of swimming pools. And over there is a playground for kids. Andun ang playground ng kids, be. So kids can play over there. Kita naman yung buto-buto ko. Here there is also swimming pool. This for children. It's not so deep for children. And over there. Andun kami oh. Nagkakain kami, dala kami pizza. Tumaba ka ng ganyan. Kain ka doon, may dala kami pizza. Takado ka lang sa baba. Si Meya andito, oh, nakita ko. Oh. Punta kayo doon ha. Pinagkakaguluhan oh. Here there is a My Habibo is enjoying. Iba-vlog ko na lang. Iba-vlog ko yan. Happy, happy. Saya-saya. Vlog ko sa YouTube yan. Sa YouTube. Aking amiga. Aeroplano, baba, oh. Yung baba na aeroplano, oh. Airplane, oh, airplane. Mag-swimming na ako. Ang saya-saya dito! Nako! Sana dito kayo mga mami. So. Meron din ditong dagat. Kaya kung ayaw mo sa pool, may dagat. Ang daming swimming pool. Meron doon isang swimming pool, walang tao. Pwedeng mag-solo ka doon mag-isa kung gusto mo maligo. Kung gusto mo mag-solo ka lang sa isang pool, ang daming bakante. Look at the pizza. It's a giant, giant pizza. Yeah. Pizza. Adam, nilakam! Mami! Nakalag siya, pahinga ko internet. Swim, mami, swim, swim. Yala. Swim, Habibi, swim.
What? There's a bucket!
Adam, don't drink water, ha? Low. Malamig ka pa kumahon ako, dito lang ako.
Oo nga.
Ang sirena ng swimming pool.
Pambata.
Enjoy!
Langoy na sign up.
Nakareya yung business. Maaari ito mainit. Pagka kumahon ka, ginagawa ko kayo lang ka.
Oo.
Nagkam kami tubig, maganda. Lutong ka na rin.
Mamaya-maya.
Picture na lang ba? Picture na lang. Naka-video kayo, naka-video kayo.
I know how to swim!
There is airplane. Airplane. Because we are near in the airport. The location of this resort is near the airport road. There's not so much people. Not so much people. It's nice. Nice. It's evening now. Evening now. Swim, mommy, swim, swim. Swim, swim. Yalla, mommy, swim. It's now evening. Gabi na po. Inabot na kami ng gabi. Siyempre kasi night swimming nga to eh. Nag-start kami dito 7 o'clock. Yung 7 o'clock is still maliwanag pa. May araw pa. Ganun dito sa Lebanon ngayon kasi summer. Bye-bye. So, night swimming. It's now, the time now is, nag-start kami 7 o'clock. The time now is 9 o'clock in the evening. And this is my Habibo. Habibo! Ay! Kiss mommy, kiss up mommy. Kiss up mommy. Ano lang, may pag-aahon pero ano, pag nasa tubig ka, mainit yung ano, tubig. Eh, si Tin, no?
Burahin mo, edit.
We are going home now. The time is 11 o'clock in the evening. So it's time to go home. Look, they are cleaning it. Nagpastao yan, no? So much deep. So it's time to go home.
In my head again, you had your heart set on me, but these feels they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me why it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down the walls again. Don't do sexy to be. Why do I, baby? Why do I love the way you always tease me? Why do I, baby? Why do I love the touch you never? the feeling. Why do I